guys, this is Neha here. Welcome to my channel Get Fit with Neha. And on my channel I really love to share recipes. The reason being because a person can lose weight is only by diet, not by no workout, nothing. So I have experimented a lot of diets on my body and on myself. I know if my diet is sometimes not good, no matter I will do 2 hours 4 hours, it will not give me any good result for my weight loss. So you need to make sure your 95% is your diet, which keeps you for a good healthy lifestyle. That's why I really love to share recipes, not much workout sometime, because that's the only way you could lose weight. So I'm sharing keto recipe today, so it will make you full for next 3 to 4 hours. Though it's a breakfast recipe, but you can also have it in your lunch or dinner. It will not gonna give you any hamper. So please try this recipe, you're gonna love it. If you need any help, let me know in the comment box. And if any one of you need a personalized training, customized plan as per schedule, you can contact on my email nehanakbal177@gmail.com. Thank you.